Hi, I'm Jamie LaPointe at Center for Aesthetic and Laser Medicine, and today we're going to talk about how acne can be addressed with HydraFacials. For acne, we recommend our clarifying HydraFacial treatment that will include a beta solution that is known to kill bacteria and pull any impurities out of the pores while also dislodging any impurities, and we will also add in blue LED light, which is known to kill bacteria. HydraFacial is best suited for acne that is a grade 1 or 2, which would normally be mild or moderate acne. With our clarifying HydraFacial for acne, you can see results immediately after your treatment. Typically for acne, we recommend a HydraFacial every 2 weeks for a total of 6 treatments, considering a boot camp treatment and then monthly maintenance. HydraFacial is a superior treatment to traditional facials. With the Vortex technology that HydraFacial offers, you can get a deeper exfoliation and a more efficient treatment in a shorter amount of time. If you're interested in learning more about HydraFacial and how it can benefit you, click the link in the description of this video below to schedule a consultation.